Dating back to the 1920s and benefiting from a 200-foot rear garden is this beautifully extended and modernised family home. To the front is a large shingled driveway providing parking for several cars, which leads up to a set of wrought iron gates opening into the rear garden. From the hallway are doors into the cloakroom, dining room and well-proportioned dual-aspect sitting room. Relaxing and inviting, it benefits from 4 windows which flood the room with natural light. To the rear of the property is the stunning L-shaped kitchen breakfast room. Fitted with a range of modern wood units, there's a built-in double oven and gas hob, a stylish ceramic tiled floor, and plenty of space for a table and chairs. There's a utility room, whilst a set of bifolding doors open out into the extensive rear garden. There's a large paved patio area, ideal for outdoor family meals and entertaining, plus a lawn and 2 garden sheds. On the first floor are the 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, the master with views across neighbouring farmland, and the modern family bathroom featuring a freestanding bath with ball and claw feet. Situated in the heart of Meon Valley and on the borders of the South Downs National Park, this well-presented property makes an ideal family home.